I am opening Play Store app. Searching for Snapchat. Something went wrong. Error retrieving information from server. DF-DFERH-01 error occurs. I cannot find Snapchat and install from Play Store, but I can search other apps and install from Play Store. I can search other apps and install from Play Store, but I cannot search and find install Snapchat from Play Store. When I search Snapchat, error retrieving information from server occurs. Something went wrong. Error retrieving information from server error occurs. Solution: this might be server fault on Snapchat side, so try after some time. Comment your answers, subscribe.